eyes.
Get out. Shoot. Get out.
Yeah, there he goes. Dude, look at him.
Oh, where'd the ball go? What? What is this? Look at this. What? Give me.
No, throw it at Bishop. Dude. Dude, his eyes are like glowing.
Hey, buddy. Come here.
Bishop. Throw the thing on his head. The strainer. No, put that on his head. I missed it.
Come here.
Let him Brianna, get up!
I'm a catnapper.
Put a Bishop's head.
Hi, buddy.
No, Lucy.
Okay, first.
Are we gonna like post this on my YouTube?
No.
I want to.
No, I look fat, man.
It doesn't even show you half the time. No, it does.
That hurt.